What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to fix Google Gemini from signing out. If you're having such a problem, you just need to find your Gemini and then try this out. Tap and hold on your Gemini, then tap on Tap Info, and while we're coming here to the app info, it's to confirm that the storage and cache is not full. So if the storage and cache is full, you might be having such a problem. So you're going to tap on storage and cache. Then right here you can see that the cache is 0. Then you can see that it has some megabytes in storage. You could go ahead and click on clear storage and that should help fix the problem. Now once you're done with that, you can restart your device and open Gemini and sign in and observe if you're still in after a while. If that doesn't work, you'll need to go over to your settings and find if you need an update. If that doesn't work, you'll need to go over to your app store, then search for Gemini for possible updates. As you can see, once we tap on Gemini, we just have two options, uninstall and open. If it had an update, you will see the update option. So this is not where the problem is. But if you have an update, you can tap on it to make sure you're using the latest version of your Gemini. And then lastly, you're going to go over to your settings, then locate your system or about phone. Our goal here is to try to see if our OS needs an update itself. So we're going to tap on System, tap on Software Updates, and here you can see that there are updates available. So go ahead and make sure that you're using the latest version of your device and try to see if you have a solution for your Gemini.